Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some roast chicken. So that's my chicken. This is leg and thigh, and I'm gonna also add to it smoked sachets, sweet corn, and potato. These are all my seasoning. You have paprika, you have all-purpose seasoning, you have black pepper, you have jerk seasoning, you have garlic powder, and you also have chicken seasoning. So let's get started. So my seasoning, this is 1 spoonful of the all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful of the chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoonful of black pepper, 1 spoonful of the jerk seasoning, and 1 spoonful of the garlic powder, and 1 spoonful of the paprika. So I'm just gonna blend them all together. I don't use salt on my meat, guys, because the seasoning already full of so much salt, so I try to cut down on the salt. So I'm just gonna pour all my seasoning on my chicken. And I'm gonna also pour some vegetable oil just for it to be moist. Then just take my hand and just massage my meat. So my chicken is all seasoning, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna leave it to marinate for at least 10 minutes, or you can leave it longer than that. It's up to you. So now I'm gonna season all my potato and my sweet corn. Just make sure it washed and it's clean. So I'm gonna put some salt, and some black pepper, some vegetable oil. You're just gonna take your hand and just combine everything together. And you can always use whatever potato you have. So it's all finished now. So here I have a tray, and to my tray I add some foil paper, and I also grease my tray. So my chicken has marinated, so I'm just gonna add my chicken to my tray. And I'm gonna also add my potatoes. my sweet corn. So I add everything. So now I'm gonna add my smoked sachets. Just put it all over. It's gonna give it such a nice flavor. And I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least an hour and 150 degrees. So see you back. Hi guys, so it's been 1 hour and this is what it's look like. So here I have a bowl here. I add 3 spoonfuls of butter, melted butter, and rosemary and some chili. So I'm just gonna pour it all over because I'm gonna put it back in my oven for 30 minutes. This is just gonna give it a nice flavor. So that's why I'm adding it. So this is what it look like after I add all my butter, my rosemary, and my chili. It's looking absolutely delicious and it smells so good. So I'm just gonna put it back in my oven. So see you back. Hi guys, so it's finally finished and this is what it look like. It's looking absolutely delicious and it smells so nice. I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So this is what it look like on the plate. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.